If you're over 50 and you walk for exercise, you're probably doing one thing that's slowly damaging your knees. And the frustrating part? Everyone recommends it. Your doctor, fitness experts, health websites. But biomechanically, it's working against your aging joints. I'm Dr. Eris John, an orthopedic specialist who spent 15 years studying how movement patterns change with age. And I've noticed something striking. The people with the healthiest knees aren't necessarily the ones who walk the most. They're the ones who walk differently. Here's what's happening inside your knee right now. Your knee is a hinge joint. It's designed to move forward and backward. But most people over 50 walk with what's called heel striking. Your heel hits the ground first, hard, every single step. This creates a shock wave that travels up your leg directly into your knee joint. Over thousands of steps, this compounds. Cartilage wears. Inflammation builds. I had a patient named Robert, 63, walked 3 miles every morning, thought he was doing everything right, but his knees were degrading faster than they should. We looked at his walking pattern, classic heel striker. Every step was like a small collision. The real problem is your stride is too long for your aging body. When your stride is too long, your leg extends too far forward. Your heel lands in front of your center of gravity. This creates braking force, your body literally fighting against its own momentum. Your knee absorbs all of it. Worse, your hip and glute muscles aren't engaging properly, so your knee becomes the load-bearing joint instead of your hips, and knees aren't designed for that level of stress. Here's exactly what changed for Robert. Step 1. Shorten your stride. This is counterintuitive. Most people think longer strides are more efficient. Actually, for aging joints, shorter is safer. Your feet should land directly under your hips, not in front of them. This means more steps per mile, but dramatically less impact stress. Step 2, shift to midfoot striking. Instead of heel first, land on your midfoot, the middle of your sole. This distributes impact across a larger surface area instead of concentrating it on one point. Your body will naturally adjust if you shorten your stride. You'll shift to midfoot automatically. Step 3, increase cadence. Aim for 130 steps per minute instead of 90 to 100. Faster, shorter steps. This engages your hip and glute muscles, which is exactly what protects your knees. Step 4, choose softer surfaces. Pavement is unforgiving. Trails, grass, or softer tracks absorb more impact. Your knees will thank you. Robert made these changes immediately. Within 2 weeks, his knee pain dropped significantly. By 4 weeks, he was walking the same distance but with no discomfort. 3 months later, he told me, "I'm actually enjoying my walks again instead of bracing for the pain." Here's what to expect when you change your walking pattern. The first week feels weird. Shorter strides don't feel efficient. Your mind says you're moving slower even though you're actually covering the same distance. By week 2, your hips and glutes start engaging more. You might feel muscle soreness. That's good. It means the right muscles are finally working. By week 3, your knees feel noticeably calmer, less inflammation, less stiffness afterward. By week 4, you realize you're actually enjoying movement again instead of managing pain. But here's the insight that changes everything. Your knees aren't weak, they're overworked. You haven't damaged them by walking incorrectly. You've damaged them by walking incorrectly. The good news, proper movement patterns actually heal joints over time. Your body is incredibly adaptive. Most people think joint pain is inevitable after 60, that aging means less movement, more stiffness. But what I've seen in my practice is the opposite. People who move correctly actually feel stronger, more mobile, and pain-free even into their 70s and 80s. The difference isn't genetics or age, it's biomechanics. How you move matters more than how much you move. There's one more movement pattern that's silently aging your hips even faster than walking. It's something you do multiple times a day without realizing it. I'm covering that next. Try this walking adjustment for 2 weeks. Shorten your stride, increase your cadence. Notice how your knees respond. If this helped, subscribe. I create weekly videos on how to move without pain as you age.
Thank you for being here. I'm Dr. Eris John, and I'll see you in the next one.